This, guys, is why you want to change your water pump when you're doing your timing. This has a recent timing job. I'm guessing the belt looked fairly new, the tensioner looked fairly new. They did not change the water pump, and this is what I got. So I got the new timing belt in their new water pump. This is the old guy. You can see quite a bit of movement. It's hard to show. Now, obvious grinding, but very bad. It didn't take all that long to change, but it isn't fun to do, and something that could have been avoided with, you know, a $15 water pump when you're doing the timing belt.